Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting 6 strands about 60 to 70 cm long, so you have enough length to finish and tie. Once chosen, secure the top with tape or a clipboard. This creates tension and makes knots consistent. Arrange the strands left to right in the color order you want the pattern to appear. Now form the first forward knot using the leftmost strand over the second. This establishes your base and explains why tension and order matter for even rows. Once you have the base row, continue by pairing strands and making forward or backward knots depending on the direction you need. This is how you form chevrons, diagonals, or stripes. Make symmetric patterns by working from the outer strands toward the center and mirror each side. This ensures balance. Make sure to keep tension even. If knots get too tight, the bracelet will curl. If too loose, gaps appear. Pause every few rows to straighten strands and maintain uniformity. To finish, gather all strands and tie a secure overhand knot about 3-5 mm from the pattern edge so beads or clasps can sit properly. Trim ends to about 1 to 2 cm. You can add a braided loop or small clasp for easy wearing. Make sure to test the fit. If the pattern starts to shift or twist, undo the last 3 or 4 knots, retension the strands evenly, and ready. This fixes alignment without wasting much length.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.